Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. I am heading out to Home Depot this morning to pick up a few flowers for my garden, and I thought I would take you along with me so we can check out what they have. And it is also a beautiful spring day today, and I am in the mood for a fresh Italian salad. So I'm going to make a quick pit stop at Costco because I need something very specific for the thing that I want to make, and I'll show you how I do that. So come on along with me today. We've had a really nice week weather-wise here, so I think I'm going to check out Home Depot and see what they've got in terms of flowers because I want to get some nice ones for my garden. And I see these beautiful fuchsia flowers. These are gonna look gorgeous. And this is a lovely hanging basket. This is gonna look so nice in my garden. And these look like some pretty seedling geraniums that are in red. And I'm gonna pick up a few of these too. I always like coming in and looking to see what's new at Costco, and they've got these really nice mugs, and look at how pretty they are inside. They've got all these neat designs on the inside of them, and they're not badly priced either. They're $24.99 and you get 6 of them. I really love the specialty items you can get at Costco, like this beautiful fresh mozzarella cheese, and it's $9.49 and you get 2 big balls of it. And if you've never had fresh mozzarella before, it is so worth it, and I'm gonna make something amazing with this. So we just got home and I got these gorgeous pink geraniums that I'm gonna put in some pots so that we can have some color right away. And then I also got some smaller seedlings that I'm gonna use for hanging baskets, and I'll just wait for those ones to bloom later on in the season. These 2 ducks have decided to move into our yard. I think they were here last year as well, but they've kind of taken over the place. So I'm also thinking I want to bring some flowers inside the house as well. And last week I stopped by at a store called Marshall's, which would be kind of like your Home Goods or Home Sense. And I picked up one of these shallow serving trays. It's kind of long and narrow, and it's got a little bit of a lip. And I had an idea in my head of what I wanted to create with that. But I'm going to look around my yard and see what flowers are in bloom, and I'm going to use those. I've got these really pretty camellias growing, so I might use a few of these. And I have these pretty purple flowers. I don't know what they're called, but I'm going to use some of these too. So here's all the flowers I've collected from my yard, and now I'm just going to take a glass of water and pour it into the serving dish. And now I'm just going to start arranging my flowers. I really like how this turned out, and I like the fact that this is also a low profile arrangement, so this will be perfect for my dining room table.
You did it. Good job.
And since it's a beautiful spring day today, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, delicious, fresh Italian salad using just a few easy ingredients. So let's get started. We're going to start by slicing up a tomato into thin slices. And we're also going to use the fresh mozzarella cheese that I bought at Costco. And if you've never had fresh mozzarella before, it is so worth it. So if you can find it, get it. And that's what I'm going to use for this recipe. So if we open up our fresh mozzarella, it comes in what looks like a yogurt container. And how it looks is it's like this big ball, and it's very, very soft. Move this to the side. And I'm going to put that on our cutting board. And the flavor is very, very mild and very fresh. So I'm just slicing it up very, very thinly. And I would say that a ball this size will probably serve maybe 4 people. So I'm going to slice it up, and whatever I don't use, I'm just going to put right back in the container in the water that it's kept in, and then keep it in the fridge. And I've got some lovely fresh basil, and we're going to use some of that as well. Now that we have our mozzarella, cheese, tomato, and basil all chopped up, I'm going to make a quick little dressing for the salad. And I'm just starting out with about a teaspoon of liquid honey. And I'm going to put that in a bowl. You don't have to put the honey in, but I just think it gives it such a nice flavor. And I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, depending on how many people you're serving, you may want more or less. And a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a little pinch of salt, and a few dashes of pepper. So now I'm just going to give this a good stir, and we'll be ready to assemble the salad. So we'll start with a slice of cheese, put on a little bit of basil, a slice of tomato, and do the same thing again. Now we just take a little bit of our dressing and drizzle that over the top. And there you have it. This is the perfect salad to serve for spring and summer, which is so simple, easy, and flavorful. And if you want to make this a few hours ahead of time, you can. Just store it in the fridge without the dressing, covered in saran wrap, and then put on the dressing before you're ready to serve it. Thank you so much for joining in, everyone. Stay well, and we'll catch you in the next one.